Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you that how you can download and install Rivals of Either 2 demo on your PC. Guys, first open up your end browser and just open up the Steam website, simply search for it and open it. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option and simply sign into your account. Guys, if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you will see the option of create an account. So just create account on Steam. Once you created the account, then click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, now here simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. This is very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game which is Rivals of Either 2 and this game appear on the top. So simply open up this game. So guys, once you open up this game here, just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart or add to library. Guys, if you want to play this game demo version, so just click on this add to library option, then go to just Steam library, and on the left hand side just find this game demo. Just click on that. Once you find this game demo, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game demo. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.